Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at our destiny. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Legends series Destiny. Okay, actually it is a 2-pack with Marvel's Rogue, but as you can see, the Rogue has been separated. I think I sold it to Sandy, one of the Heroclix players here in the Philippines. Okay, but we kept X-Men's Marvel's Destiny. Okay, because we don't have an action figure of Destiny yet in our collection. So you can see here on the side an illustration of Rogue, that they're the missing Rogue here, and Destiny. Okay, and on the other side, just a bigger illustration. Okay, at the back you see the full illustration and a brief description here of Marvel's Rogue and Marvel's Destiny. A mutant with a power she could not yet control, Rogue was unofficially adopted by Destiny and Mystic and joined them in the Brotherhood of Evil Mutants. Okay, so you can already see the connection between the two. Together with Mystic, Destiny is the surrogate mother of Rogue. Okay, I say surrogate mother because, you know, they're both females, Destiny and Mystic. Okay, so let's take him out of the box. Okay, but before we take her out of the clamp, let's take a look at a Heroclix figure of Destiny. Okay, so the last Destiny made is from the X-Men Rise and Fall, so which is already rotated as of making this video, and this also the closest to the sculpt, or meaning to the design aesthetic that we have here. I don't think Destiny's aesthetic has changed throughout the years. It's always been blue with cape and then mask. Okay, but I like this figure because of the flowy cape you can see here. Okay, so looking at her, she has the Brotherhood of Mutants and Freedom Force keywords. The real name is Irene Adler. Yes, that is the Irene Adler in the Sherlock Holmes universe. Okay, and she has a trait, a rally, which is 5 on opposing attack rolls. Whenever a character rolls to attack or break away, you may remove a rally die on Destiny's card to re-roll the result. Okay, so again, you need to earn first that 5 rally die from opposing attack rolls, and then you can use that, spend that to re-roll a breakaway or attack roll. Okay, so it's not prob, so if you still have prob, like you can see Destiny here still has prob, so she can prob the attack and then remove the rally die to reroll again that same attack. Okay, so straightforward dial, 6 with the stealth, and then senses only low defense because she doesn't really fight that much. She is a precog, but her cognitive powers would work on events that's happening closer to the present. Okay, meaning she can see long into the future, but it might not be as precise as when she looks at something that will immediately happen. Okay, so and then at the bottom end of his dial, sidestep at 6 and 5. Okay, then goes down to 9 attacks. So she's definitely a support figure, and significant appearance is Uncanny X-Men number 141, 1981, but she did played a crucial role in the Age of Krakoa in the House of X. I remember the council did not want to resurrect a precog because precogs can mess up and see their plans. Okay, so but anyway, enough with the Heroclix for now, and let's take a look at the figure. Okay, we see a couple of extra hands here, and let's put her out of the clamp. This figure has been with me for a good half a year, if I'm not mistaken, so I'm happy that I'm able to open her up. It means I have an extra space because of the New Year cleanup. that I did. So I have some space so I can open some of my box collection so that I can purchase more box items. Okay, you have to unbox to buy more box. Okay, so you can see here golden mask. Okay, perfect. Wow, solid figure. Okay, and then yeah, let's try to pose her like this particular figure with one hand on the head. Okay, trying to see the future, and the other hand trying to share that knowledge of the future with his allies. Okay, the cape actually gets in the way, so take note of that. There's not a lot of pose you can do with her because of that cape getting in the way. Okay, so anyway, that would be the best imitation, I guess, of the pose. Okay, so she's cool. Anytime we get a Marvel Legends figure that we don't have in our collection, it's always a welcome addition because we try to collect as many mutants as possible. Okay, so what do you guys think? Share your thoughts about Destiny in the comments. For now, bye-bye!